Hello, my international friends. In this video, we'll dive into the concept of words in Chinese grammar. From its definition and function, we can see that words are primarily used to form phrases and sentences. Words have three main features. The first feature is that it constitutes the smallest usable linguistic unit in Chinese grammar. The second feature is its capacity to independently fulfill grammatical functions. For instance, it can serve as subject, predicate, object, etc. The third feature is that words are composed of morphemes. Let's now learn about the classification of words. They are primarily classified into simplex words and compound words. Simplex words are further subdivided into monosyllabic words and polysyllabic words. For instance, 山 is a monosyllabic word, while 琵琶 is a polysyllabic word. However, both consist of a single morpheme. Compound words are further classified into compounding, affixation, reduplication. Affixation are formed by a root plus an affix. An affix placed before the root is a prefix. For example, the prefix in the word 老师 is 老. An affix placed after the root is a suffix. For example, the suffix in the word 石头 is 头. Reduplication are composed of two identical morphemes. For example, 星星. Let's now take a detailed look at compounding. The first category is coordinative compound. Both morphemes hold equal grammatical states within the compound. For example, the synonymous coordinate compound rest is formed by 修 and 西, where both morphemes contribute equally to the meaning. The second category is the end-centric compound, primarily characterized by the first morpheme modifying the second morpheme, or the second morpheme modifying the first morpheme. For example, 黑板 and 雪白. The third category is verb-object compound. It's formed by two roots, one indicating the action, and the other representing the result or recipient of that action. For example, 关心 and 举重. The fourth category is subject-predicate compound, typically composed of a preceding nominal morpheme and a subsequent morpheme that comments on the preceding one. For example, 地震 and 眼红. The fifth category is verb complement compound, wherein a subsequent morpheme functionally complements the preceding morpheme. The first root is typically a verb. For example, in 踢倒, T is a verb root, meaning to kick. This video ends here. See you in the next video. 再见。